Forming machine is a type of machine capable of forming and rolling toll into many different profiles to serve people's daily life and work, such as roofing sheet, retaining wall. Vietsteel manufactures and supplies to customers' demands a diversity of models. In this video, Vietsteel will introduce to the entrepreneurs some key products that are popular with customers today. Roofing roll forming machine. The most familiar profile of roll forming metal and the easiest machine to use in the world. With roofing roll forming machine, we have many model as well as speed adapt to customer require from 20 meters per minute to 60 meters per minute. Our roofing machine reach can make the finished product has almost absolute accuracy, does not bend or warp. Sheet metal rolled can be from many different thicknesses, colors, and materials. Verified origins of components and steadily run for 15 years with 12 months warranty. That can optimize costs and labor resources. Seamlock roll forming machine. Non-screw corrugated iron products are increasingly popular, so they have become the most preferred machine in Vietnam. Seamlock machine from Vietsteel can be at a size optimized, neatly placed in the container, delivered easily, and operation directly at the construction site. This machine is equipped with rollers and cutting die, which are specially designed to create aesthetical contours. They were made by precision CNC machines and hard chromium plating. Moreover, with a hydraulic system to help the Seamlock machine system cool down, not overheat the engine, the operating time can continue for 22 hours. Floordeck roll forming machine. Vietsteel's roll forming machines are often favored not only by Vietsteel's brand reputation but also because of their quality and durability. Our Floordeck machine can meet the standards of exporting to the US, one of the extremely difficult markets. It can roll the material thickness reach to 1.6 millimeters. Cutting dies SKD11 are fabricated by CNC precision machine. Heat treatment got 52 to 58 HRC. The components for this machine are imported from the famous supplies from Japan, Germany, Taiwan, Switzerland. CZ Purlin Machine. Purlin rolling machine is one of the research products of Vietsteel's national projects, has been exported to many countries such as Australia, Taiwan, New Zealand. This is the most advanced technology in Vietsteel. CZ combination Purlin machine can handle C and Z profiles with 16 different sizes of material thickness up to 3.2 mm. There are many ways of changing the profiles for customers to choose from depending on their needs. Integrating many automatic punching stations in different positions to ensure flexibility when operating. Easy to adjust, control the size automatically by using the computer system. Being the leading expert in Vietnam in designing, manufacturing and installing all series lines of roll forming machines, Purlin rollers, truss bar rollers, slitting roll forming machines. Our staff are more than 140 employees, and we have 2 factories, 18,000 square meters, a special processing workshops, 2,000 square meters, with CNC milling equipment, CNC turning, wire cutting. We control the quality of all mechanical parts of the machine, ensure the machine to run steadily for 15 years and provide 12 months warranty. For more detailed inquiries, please contact us.